Are you trying to pack your mirrorless camera and equipment in a backpack? Then try the Camera Cube from Peak Design. The cube has a volume of 6 liters and is well padded. In addition, a Peak Design strap can be connected to the cube via anchors. To open the cube, you may pull on the tab. Let's look inside. On the left, I've placed a focus monitor with tilt arm. The monitor has enough space and I feel it's secured. The second space is separated by a self-divider. I can place an X-T3 with a lens and place a video micro next to it. In the same space, I've placed a floating pocket on the wall of the cube to store batteries. The third space is created by a self-divider. I've placed 2 prime lenses in this space. Conveniently, the divider converts into 2 vertical pockets, allowing for 2 lenses. The divider is sturdy enough to support the weight of the lens. Moreover, the dividers are removable. It's easy to pack the cube. Just zip up and place it in the backpack. Because the cube is tightly packed, there's enough space to place other items in the backpack.